So I replace brakes in most all of my cars, and now I'm gonna show you the Nissan Murano. This is 2009, but basically the cars are the same. You take two bolts, take the caliper out, replace the pads, put the calipers back in, push the piston. So let me show you. The wheel is off. This is the back tire, as you see, the back wheel, and this is the caliper. So we're gonna remove this part here. There are two bolts, one here, one here. So it's a 12 millimeter. Alright, there you go. With only the top one loosened. You're gonna flip this out, and this is all we need. This way you don't need to keep hanging anything, and the pads are gonna come right out to the side and the other one to the back. Now we have two clips. We just pull the clip tabs. So ideally, I can't quite see where I am, so there's a tab to the side, pull it out, and then you get something like this. Now you go to the kit, find exactly the same size. You put them like this, and there are two grooves on the bottom. You just squeeze them on the grooves, they should fit, and same thing on the top. Once they're there, this is gonna push the brake pads down. So you do like this. I'm gonna actually put this on the bottom, inside, and this here. You put the bottom part first, and then the top part just sliding. Now this thing here has a cylinder. The cylinder is not gonna go in. You can put a piece of wood, and then you push the piece of wood. Now done. There you go. And it's very slowly. And then we're gonna put the bolt back in place. There you go. Done. So the front video is going to be a little brighter, but it's exactly the same thing. The caliper is a little larger. So we're going to do this here. Loosen it. Okay, with two bolts out, we just need to pull the brakes to the side here. There's a little tab, so you pull and out. You're gonna do the same thing on the inside. It's out. Now the two clips. See this little tab here? You pull it down and then pull it out. The other side will have one too, and we have brand new ones that comes with the kit. You're gonna flip the two tabs up and push it in here. You push this in and you push this in. Then we get the brakes. The outside first, like that. And just push it in. There you go. And same thing. Go like this. There you go. Done. Never hang this, because the weight of this on the brake line, if the brake line is not very good, it's going to be a problem. And as you see here, the cylinder needs to go in a little more in order for this to get in there. So what I will do is I'll flip it up here, and usually I get a 2x4, but I have a, I don't know what is this here, and we got a tire bar, and you don't need to make too much of an effort. It's pushing in. Done. So how you know it's good? Because when you come here, be sure that this is not like twisted and stuff, and then you go in. When it goes in, you're good to go. And that's it. Our two brakes are replaced. Put the two bolts in, tighten, and you're golden. And that's it. It's done. Easy. I replaced those on my daily, on my drift car, on my Toyota Supra, friend's car, and now this one. So hope this helps you. Hope if you're replacing the brakes, you know that it's something very, very simple, something that you can get at Amazon and do yourself. But just be sure you're safe when you lift the car. Be sure that you have jack stands, which are those things down there. I have a quick jack, which helps me lift the car and be safe. But be safe out there. Don't forget to subscribe, and later.